Good morning, this is Dr. Turner for Integrated Math 1. Today we're covering 8.3, which is looking at side, side, side triangle congruency. So this is the third way that we can show that two triangles are congruent. Thus far we have covered two, which are side, and angle, side, angle. In the first we're looking at two sides and their angle included that are congruent. For the second we're looking at two angles that are congruent and the side between them. Now we are looking at the third, which is side, side, side triangle congruency. As the name might imply, if I have two triangles and I can show that there are three pairs of congruent sides, that implies that the triangles are the same shape. So symbolically, this will look something like this, where I have one pair of sides, two pair of sides, three pair of sides with congruency symbols. And therefore, my answer on a yes or no question would be yes, they are congruent by side, side, side. Just like in 8.1 and in 8.2, it is possible that sometimes we're going to be given two triangles that are congruent, but we're not going to have every single symbol shown. So for instance here, where these two triangles are sharing a side, you might be given that these two sides are congruent and these two sides are congruent, which is not enough, right? Because we need side, 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 not just two pairs of sides. However, your third side is a side that is being shared, and it is implied that a side is congruent to itself. So this would still be an example where your answer is yes, these triangles are congruent by side, side, side. Because we're in 8.3 now, any of these are fair game. So even though side, side, side is the focus and what the new information is, I will throw in a couple questions that involve either side, or angle, side, angle, or it could be a case where you don't have any that are congruent, in which or not enough information rather to show that they are congruent, in which case you just have to answer no to the yes or no question. So for instance here, again, going by given information, not by what it looks like, if I have 1 and 2 pairs of sides that are congruent, that's not enough. If I knew the angles in between were congruent, that's one way to show that they're the same. If I know that the third sides are congruent, that's one way to show that they're the same. If I don't have that, then my answer as a yes or no question has to be no. So go back and review 8.1, 8.2 if you need to. Go back and look at the supplemental resources. Please reach out during office hours. Otherwise, have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.